Hi guys, I'm Shazad and welcome in Laravel 10 series. Today we're gonna discuss about the accessor and also the mutator. You know very well about the basics now, and we have discussed about the void in our previous video. Okay, so now accessor and also mutator are the two functionalities or two concepts available in the Laravel. Okay, so what happens if you adding or inserting the records in the database? Okay, so let's suppose if you have the username field and the end user or your client adding the caps or using the capital letter to create the username, and you only store the username in the lowercase. Yes, you can use the built-in methods or the functions in the PHP. Okay, but now Laravel give you each and everything out of the box. So by using the accessor or by using the mutator, whenever someone use the capital letter, you can just define the mutator which converts your capital letter into a small letter, or you can perform any kind of functionality. So let's suppose if a person adding XYZ tries and you want to calculate, or you have some kind of formula and you want to calculate or executions regarding that particular input, so you can also do that by using the mutator. Okay, so let's suppose if you have a date time field and you only want to get the date, you can use the accessor. So how exactly accessor and also the mutator works in Laravel 10, we're gonna discuss about it. So let's get started. Okay guys, so accessor and also the mutator, you have the basics knowledge of the accessor and also the mutator. So whenever you insert the data in your column or in the table, you want to perform some kind of operations. So this is the mutator. That means you are changing the data before inserting in the database or the column. So while fetching the data from a particular column, you want to perform some kind of operations. So let's suppose the column value is 15. You want to perform the 15 plus 1 or 15 plus 2, or you want to send that value to the API which gives the result, and you want to show that particular results. So this is the accessor and also the mutator. Okay, so now as you can see, let's take an example. So it's saying John Wick. If you open the sections, the first one is John Wick, and we are saying just show us the name. We are fetching the data, we are saying that get the first result and find the name, and make sure when you use the accessor and also the mutator, you have to use the column name. So now as you can see, we are saying protected functions name attribute. Okay, so we are saying that this is the accessor and this is the mutator. So the column value is, as you can see, lowercase, and we are using the PHP functions which convert the first letter as a capital. Okay, so when you do that and when you are showing the name, the system automatically converting your lowercase into first letter is capital. Or you can perform like if I'm saying that XYZ. So go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's adding the XYZ. Or I'm saying John Will is the actual movie or the fantastic movie or something like that. Fresh actual movie. So this is the pre-process. So whenever you access the data from the database, the system execute each and everything according to your script. Okay, so now let's suppose I'm saying that I want to show the ID. So here the ID works, but if you want to use the ID, so you have to change the ID, and you don't need to use this one. So this is the simple value. First of all, it's currently showing you the simple value, but let's suppose if you are saying plus plus, refresh the page, it's saying plus plus. If I'm saying plus 1, as you can see, it's now showing you the 2. If you are saying plus 5 or plus 6, it's showing you 7. Even you know very well that the ID is 1. So let's suppose if you want to fetch the created at column. So this is the created add column. So you have to define the created and also created add column, and I'm saying just fetch the value, refresh the page. So you have to also use the created add, refresh the page, created add. You can also say that date, and now I'm saying I only get the year, str to time, refresh the page, it's saying year. If you say that also get the month, it's always getting the month. Okay, so this is the accessor. You can write your script. So according to the script, whenever you call a particular column, the system execute your script or instructions and give you the final result. You can also send this value to the API, or you can calculate any kind of things. Okay, first of all, this one. Second thing, you have a mutator. So we are saying that whenever I'm inserting the data, just copy the data and also convert all the letters in the small letters. Now I'm saying that I have a script, and here I'm saying John Wick, I'm saying third, since John Wick third I think is not available. Okay, so I'm saying John Wick third, and now I'm inserting the data in the database. Now first letter is capital, second capital, and this is also the capital, John Wick, I'm saying third. Fine. So refresh the page. You are inserting the data. Go to the database. As you can see, it's showing you, or it's adding the value in the small letter. Sorry, it's not adding. So these are the capital letter because you have to use the name here. So it was my mistake once again. And now refresh the page. So all values are small. As you can see, small values. Okay, if you want to add, let's suppose anything like I'm saying ABC here, or anything, you can do that. You can send this value to the API, or you can perform any kind of task before inserting the data in the database. So once again, I'm saying John Wick 4 and refresh the page. Okay, so I'm saying John Wick 88. The email is already exists, so that's why it was giving the error. So here, as you can see, John Wick, and it's adding ABC here. So this is the accessor and also the mutator. Okay guys, so this is about the accessor and also the mutator. So this is very basics and also a simple example. So I hope guys you are enjoying our videos. If you think we are doing good, thumbs up. Feel free to share my courses and also the videos with your friends, especially on social networks. And please support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the bell icon so you never miss any update. So thank you for watching.